Dieselgate. Audi's trust problem became much larger when the Volkswagen Group emission scandal was exposed in 2015. Because Audi was part of that group, many buyers connected the brand to the same culture of hiding problems and bending rules. For years, Audi had built an image around smart engineering and clean efficiency. When that image cracked, people did not just question one model, they questioned the honesty behind the badge itself. Reliability. Audi became known for stylish cars packed with advanced features, but long-term ownership often told a different story. Owners reported oil consumption issues, timing chain problems, electrical faults, and expensive maintenance on some generations. A premium badge raises expectations, so even average reliability can feel disappointing. When repairs arrive early and often, trust fades faster than it would with a cheaper brand. Repair costs. Many drivers discovered that owning an Audi could become costly once the warranty ended. Parts were expensive, labor was specialized, and some jobs required more time because of tight engine bays and complex layouts. Buyers may accept luxury pricing at purchase, but surprise costs later create resentment. A brand can survive expensive products, but repeated expensive surprises damage confidence. Complex technology. Audi helped popularize modern cabin tech, digital dashboards, driver aids, and feature-rich infotainment systems. That innovation made the cars feel ahead of their time. But complex systems also create more chances for glitches, frozen screens, sensor errors, and frustrating updates. When technology stops feeling helpful and starts feeling unreliable, customers begin to miss simpler cars they trusted more. Brand promise. Audi spent years promoting ideas like Vorsprung durch Technik, meaning progress through technology. It was a powerful promise. Smarter engineering, cleaner design, better driving. The problem with a strong promise is that people remember it when reality falls short. If a car feels troublesome, outdated, or dishonest, the disappointment becomes bigger because expectations were set so high. Competition. Audi also faced pressure from rivals that looked more dependable or more exciting. Mercedes-Benz leaned into luxury and prestige, while BMW protected its performance identity. Meanwhile, brands like Lexus built reputations around reliability and ownership peace of mind. When customers have alternatives that feel safer, trust becomes easier to lose and harder to win back. Used market reputation. Trust is not shaped only by new buyers. It also grows in the used market, where ownership stories spread quickly. If second or third owners face major repair bills, those experiences become warnings shared online and through word of mouth. Over time, even people who never owned an Audi start hearing the same message. That kind of reputation can linger for years. Recovery efforts. Audi has worked to rebuild confidence through improved interiors, stronger warranties in some markets, new electric models, and better quality control. Yet trust returns slowly because it depends on consistent experiences, not marketing campaigns. A single great launch can create excitement, but only years of dependable ownership can repair a damaged reputation.